Everyone try and get some decent vantage points. This is a weird but interesting place to do a hostage.
You want my ID?
Yeah.
Yeah, why are you coming out without a uniform, sir?
Yeah, come here.
Sienna, you know where that person are logged? They're back in the ocean. If you could pick them up with a heli, I'd appreciate it. Sienna, how copy?
They're gonna have to swim to the back of the aircraft carrier, because if I try to, the ocean will just eat it.
Okay, cool.
They got only one hostage. They demand 200k. I have them. So what's
Guys, we have 3 minutes.
for 10 tens?
Hello, we have 3 minutes.
Yeah, offer them
Okay.
160k.
Okay.
Have you seen Vargo's turf helicopter?
No.
They said we got three
Because they
minutes.
got Vargos here, but I'm not seeing any heli from them.
I also seen a Bloods guy with a family's body armor on, which is interesting. Wait, that's a good point. Where is how did Vargas get here? They got no heli.
Yeah, they can't be part of our activity if they have no gang vehicle.
Yeah, that's a good point. That and it's not on top as well because I tried to land on top, but they had a few Bloods on there.
It has to be on
They've
top.
got quite a few people in there. Oh, get a drone out.
Just send the drone up and see,
Radio check.
and you can't find it.
Good check.
Loud and clear.
Right, it's not on the elevator lifts. It's not on the deck. Let me
They
have
think they
another
don't
look.
want to do it 160k, okay? And I ask them 10 seconds, and they will think
Offer
by the
them,
time we get
offer them 180k.
They're not allowing it. They don't want to do it.
So they don't want to negotiate at all.
Yeah, they say it's
Nah,
not
they ain't
efficient.
Okay,
got
wait there.
Vargas.
Let me come. Let
No
me come.
Vargas heli at all.
One factor, Joseph, are you coming?
1 to the last, 10-4, but I would need some time. I have a headache, bad headache. Radio check.
Loud and clear.
So,
I counter offer. We'll do 180.
Guys, you guys stay in cover.
Okay.
Okay.
Yours, not mine. Let's stay.
Okay, 180, Chinoosh 180.
we are not getting a headaches and flying out here in 5 seconds. Not a chance.
Search the trunk. You search the trunk, I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, let's just send her, can't lie.
Yeah, half of them don't have body armors. We should be.
Yeah,
he's
there's
okay.
no point. There's no point of
There's
fighting
just a
because
few
they're
more
just
of
gonna
them, but-
target.
Look
all
at this
the
guy. Look at
missiles.
this guy. He's have
See,
fucking LMG.
by the time we get in LE, they're gonna get us anyway.
No, there's no point because they're just gonna shoot all the missile racks and kill us that way.
No, they have to give us demands. It's not a ghetto. They have to give us demands before they shoot anyway. So
Yeah, but as soon as they get the money, they're just gonna shoot all the missile racks and kill all of us.
I say we start putting people in good positions away from
just
those
blast
missiles
the
and we just
missiles
fucking
now. I'm
fight
gonna
them.
pay the money now.
Okay, we
Blast the
should do that,
missiles. Blast
honestly.
the missiles right now. Blast them. Blast them. Blast the missiles. Blast every single missile.
No, don't yet, because they won't disappear for some people anyway.
Like for
Okay,
the
just
people on the tower, they don't always disappear.
Guys,
Just go down. Just go down. We will try to flank them. We can flank them. Just go down.
No, I say
That's-
no. If we just focus on these guys on main deck, those guys on the tower can't get us anyway. They
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
really
So-
hit us
Yeah,
anyway.
they
They're not
won't be
even
able
a
to
threat
shoot
right
unless
now.
they have sniper rifles.
Okay, let me explain. When we give the money, we still didn't start to shoot, okay? Because there is no point to wait for
Yeah.
the 5 seconds. Just
We can't run, yeah.
we can just kill them, okay? When
Yeah,
we
yeah,
get the
that's-
hostage, just shoot. We don't
Exactly.
need to wait for 5 seconds because
Yeah, 5 seconds is pointless. We should just do that.
when we
All we need is the hostage safe. I've told the hostage over the radio
yep.
just to run instantly once we say go.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, that's good.
Just try to stay in covers, okay? Let's
Yeah.
go.
bro,
Alright, should
bro,
we all
bro,
get
you
in
can't
cover
do
now?
this, you can't do this. Don't do that,
I've
man.
got no here, what's that called?
Nah, it's good.
What
Should
did
we
he
get in
do?
cover now, Ogie?
You can't smoke.
Bro, I can, bro.
Ogie, should we get in cover now?
Okay.
You
Come
can.
with me, two guys. Only one guy come with me. One is enough. No need of two. One is enough. FIB come with me so we can we can communicate.
Oh wait, there's a personal heli.
Oh, is it?
Right.
personal
If
vehicles
that's
there, aren't
from Vargo's, that's got to be
Hang on,
Vargo's.
hang on. This is a personal heli.
This is
I've
a
just
personal
prayed. I've
vehicle.
just prayed. Vargos.
Really?
Oh, they're using personal helicopters.
That's a verbal.
I did not know that was allowed.
It's not. Because if that's allowed, I want to be able to use my McLaren on GTA.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah.
101 to all, everyone go to the
112 last 10-4. Okay, 112 all units, whoever is at the hostage situation, what's the 1021?
It's gonna be a shooting gallery as soon as LSPD has the hostage safe.
Do they have our guys?
10-2, one LSPD officer.
112 last 10-4.
Faisal,
Thank
you
for
here?
the-
You here? They've Vargos have came here in this personal helicopter.
Guys, this thing explode, no?
Faisal, can you show yourself?
Loading.
Personal helicopter. Vargos have came here in a personal helicopter.
Right, yeah. Don't know how it...
There's a wizard here. Wizard's here.
Lan come to roof lan. Where are you guys?
Don't worry about
Okay,
it for
be
now.
ready,
It's
be
a
ready,
current
okay.
hostage situation, but it's about to conclude.
Yeah, everyone get ready.
Right in front.
Everyone get ready. They're giving the money. Get ready. Alright, 4, 3,
Is hostage
2,
safe?
1, shoot.
Oh shit, sorry.
Dead, he's down, he's down, he's down.
They're all going to be hiding
unit.
inside the inside the main stairwell now.
One one two all. Is the hostage duration 1099 now?
Wait, so she's just got.
Patch me.
Give me 1 minute. Right. Gonna be quickly.
Okay, I'm gonna patch you up.
Morphine shot.
Found her.
I'll be putting
Is
in
it-
handcuffs.
Did she have purple hair?
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
patch you
we've got
up.
her.
Oh, your health is full. Nice.
Alright, I've just used my make it, so you're gonna have to patch her up.
Yep. This is the. We've got her.
211
Okay, miss.
Can I get a couple of agents?
Okay,
towards the
miss,
back
I'm going to
where
be
they dock
patching
the
you up,
boats?
applying pressure
We
to
have
your
the
wounds.
negotiation.
When you get up, don't move, okay?
Sienna, I will just
Patching
process
you
some
up,
of them,
applying pressure
okay?
to
I
your wounds,
will
everything's
be
going to
back
be okay,
quickly.
we're almost there, okay? Don't worry. Right, we're downstairs on the lower deck. Right, can you two point the guns?
112
Hello,
is
miss,
pure
nice to see you
situation
again.
1099.
Yeah, I stand 99.
Miss, you're returning to the money to me no matter what.
Just patch her up and cuff.
Show me radio silence. Okay, miss, I'm going to take you out of cuffs, okay? And you're going to pass me the money.
Has anyone collected evidence from the latest hostage situation?
10-4, but I don't know it will be accepted because
Okay,
it's
so
tough helicopters.
I'm gonna be taking you out of cuffs, okay? And you're gonna pass me the money back, okay? You've got guns pointed at you, so don't try anything stupid. Okay, I'm gonna take you out. I'm gonna take you out of cuffs. Put that money in my back pocket. Put that money back in my back pocket. What do you mean 1 minute?
It only takes 10
You just-
seconds.
You
Yeah,
just gotta
she's
put-
the one. She's the one.
How much did you pass it, Janush?
200k.
Okay. Put that 200k in my back pocket, miss.
And also, she's been rolling with a fake Life Invader ID as well.
Okay, I'm
Alright,
gonna
GG, that was
back in
nice.
cuffs.
I got
work.
1050 and I'm leaving. I will be back, okay?
Back
Patrolling
on
with
radio
one
silence.
addition.
Good work,
No.
everyone.
10-4, I got it. Process the guy over here. Patch him.
I'm gonna look for someone.
Did Bloods wash the helicopter yet?